yan. Para dun sa mga nagbabalak mag-import, again, this is a very important topic. So please don't skip this video if you are planning to import soon or maybe in the future. Kasi this will help you minimize your risk. It can avoid stress and disappointments, which is ayaw talaga natin, ma-experience. Plus, it can save you time and money. And lagi nyo tandaan that having a good supplier can definitely help you succeed kung ano man yung business na naiisip nyo related sa importing. Paano ko siya ginagawa ang supplier assessment? One way on how to assess the supplier is by asking the right questions. Bukod dun sa pag-check ng information nila or ng profile nila sa Alibaba, basic ang pag-ask ng question sa mga supplier na yan para ma-assess mo sila kung okay ba silang kausap, ine-entertain ka ba nila ng maayos, na-accommodate ba nila yung questions mo, mabilis ba silang sumagot, sumasagot ba sila.